Hello, everyone. Let me ask you something. If you had to guess, how many English words do you know? 1,000? Maybe 5,000? Or even more? Here's the surprising part. You could memorize 10,000 words and still feel stuck when trying to have a simple conversation. Why? Because most learners fall into what I call the word collector's trap. Today, I'll explain what this trap is, why it keeps you from speaking fluently, and how just 300 everyday words can unlock your confidence in English. Think about this. Many learners can read books, write emails, and even score well on grammar tests. But when they meet a native speaker face-to-face, their mind goes blank. It's not that they don't know enough. It's that they don't know how to use what they already know. And that's the trap. Most people believe fluency means knowing as many words as possible. So they fill notebooks, memorize word lists, and chase after advanced vocabulary. But here's the truth. Speaking well isn't about quantity, it's about mastery. It's about taking a small set of words and making them work for you in many situations. Studies of native English speakers show that everyday conversations are built on a surprisingly small set of words. In fact, the most common 300 words cover more than half of everything you'll hear in daily life. That means you don't need thousands of complicated words to express yourself. You just need to know how to use the basics, clearly, naturally, and confidently.
Take the word get. It's short and simple, but look how many ways it works. Get up, get ready, get better, get started. One small word, endless possibilities. That's the beauty of simple English. Fluency is not about memorizing. It's about repetition and usage. Babies don't learn by studying dictionaries. They repeat simple words until they become automatic. You can do the same. Here's a plan you can follow. 1. Stop chasing long vocabulary lists. 2. Focus on 300 core words, nouns, verbs, and adjectives. 3. Practice speaking with them daily. 4. Combine them into new sentences. 5. Don't worry if it feels too simple. Simplicity is your superpower. Instead of saying, "I am experiencing great difficulty understanding this information," you can just say, "I don't understand this." Which one is better? The second one, because it's clear, quick, and natural. That's what real communication is about.
Here's a method that works. Pick 5 words each morning. Create 10 sentences for each word. Speak them out loud for 15 minutes. Do this daily, and after a month, those words will roll off your tongue without effort. When you master simple words, your confidence grows. You stop worrying about forgetting fancy terms because you already own the essentials, and people will always respond better to clear, confident speech. For the next 30 days, I challenge you to focus only on your 300 most common words. Use them in conversations, in writing, and even in your thoughts. After a month, you'll be amazed at how fluent you sound. Fluency isn't about how many words you know, it's about how well you use the ones you already have. 300 words are enough to connect, to express yourself, and to be understood. So stop collecting words, start using them. Speak simply, speak clearly, and speak confidently. And remember, your voice matters, and with just 300 words, the world will understand you. Thank you for watching.